Hey guys, Cobra here, just with Eagle at the warehouse. Just having a look at these new pallets that have arrived, and I see there's a couple of Matchbox cases. We've got two F cases and an L case on here. So I might just grab the L case there and have a look inside, because I think this one's got the Nissan Junior on it, and as well as a Datsun 510. So let's take this and have a look and see what's inside this one. Hey Eagle, got this L case here.
Yeah, so this L case is from the 2017 series, isn't it?
Just give you those keys, you just cut that open for us. Here's a live take in store, an unboxing of a 2017 L case from Matchbox. So keen to see the what this Nissan Junior looks like, as well as the Datsun 510 Rally. So let's do a quick unboxing, just pull three at a time, and we'll just have a quick look at them. Oh, there it is, that's the new one. So that's the Nissan Junior. Sweet. Just see if there's any variation. Can't see any variation in the bed or anything. They both look the same, and there's a nice Pontiac Firebird by the look of things there.
Yeah, and I really like this Matchbox RV, this is awesome.
MBX RV.
And if you actually look to the rear of that casting, you'll actually see there's a fold down
Oh yeah, it's like a fold down ramp. So once you fold that down, I bet you can see inside.
Up next is this pretty awesome crane here.
I'll just take those three at a time, yep. So there's a MBX all-terrain crane. Some of these names are a bit hard to say. Dodge Viper GTSR, I think we've seen that one before.
And here's the cool Datsun 510 Rally here.
Oh, awesome. Now, interesting, I'll just show you first the Tractor King on top there. But then onto these two Datsun Rallies. If you look at the card artwork, it actually shows the wheels are those sort of hub style, whereas the wheels that are on here are more like a mag wheel. So a little variation there. I'm not sure if we're going to see this variation at all. I believe they've been found, but in the US, but haven't seen them or heard of them here yet.
These three castings here are pretty cool. They look like they'd, the bottom two especially look like they'd suit a diorama pretty well.
Yep, more sort of fantasy construction, those ones.
Up next we've got sort of those two off-road.
Yeah, all of these are pretty much off-roads, aren't they?
One question for you guys, if any of you know the significance of David Sheltman, I think it says, drop it in the comments. It looks like we've got a whole lot of biking stuff attached to it, but I personally haven't heard of the name.
So just that name that's just on the edge of the tray bed there, on the outside of the tray bed.
Three more cool castings, seen those before.
Aqua King, yeah, Race Cruise I think likes that one. It's really quite nice in that blue, with the blue bottles, because that's quite realistic.
Yeah, now I know Race Grooves is a fan of the Chevy Avalanche, but I'm not sure he's going to be a fan of the colourway. But
yeah, no, I've seen the videos, and Mark from Race Grooves, he actually he likes that one. That's fine. Any colour, welcome. And there's the Duck Duck, which is an unusual amphibious casting.
It actually looks really cool, in my opinion. Looks pretty awesome.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. That's the 2017 L case at the warehouse. There's only one of those and two F cases, and we've already seen the F case quite a long time ago, so I'm not sure how many of these L cases are going to be out there. So get down to warehouse if you're in New Zealand and try and find the new Matchbox cars. See you later.